to another virtual art tutorial. My name is Lilia Estrada. I will be your host and art instructor. The class is brought to you by the Mesquite Arts Council. We will be doing these for the Hispanic Heritage Month from the date September the 15th through October the 15th. Today, we will be creating a cute little cactus made of felt. So let's get started. For this project, as you can see, we're going to be creating a really cute little cactus made of felt. Begin by drawing out your little felt. So what you'll need is some paper, of course, and a pencil. Take your piece of felt, fold it up a bit, like maybe in half. So you'll have to try to create your little cactus so that it fits within this area. What you'll do next is you'll begin, like the picture shows, to draw it out. The easiest way is to do it with a pencil. So now you can see, with my pencil, I have drawn out the felt decoration I want to create. Next, what I do is I take my felt, fold it in half, cut it in half. Okay, so now I have two pieces of felt, the bottom and the top here. I'll now take my little drawing, simple little drawing, remove this paper, and since it was folded up, I have two, but I only actually need this one. So what I'll do next, I'll take my little decoration, place it on top of the felt. Now, so that I can mark around the felt, I will put a couple of pins. If you're thinking that your little decoration might move around, this might be a good idea. Now I'll take my marker. I'll take my second piece and do the same thing. Now we can begin by cutting the pattern. now we're adding these tiny little beads. So next, let's put a few more beads on here. 1, 2. A few more beads. A few more beads. Now we're going to put it into our little canister. Take this. And you can decorate it. Decorate it like this. That would be really cute. Then you take your scissors and you cut off the extra. Now, once you have this, you will need to add some newspaper or something, because that's the part that will hold up your cactus. And you'll cover it up with some brown felt. And again, an easy way to do this. Mark around your felt and put your canister aside. And what you'll do is you'll cut your felt. Put hot glue on the edges. This makes it look like sand. This is a cute way for someone to decorate a little cactus. I thought this is a great idea for a kid's room, or just to have as a decoration. So now we'll put the cactus, we'll glue it in here. This is why you need to leave some space open. Okay, now we'll put some hot glue on the open edges. You put hot glue here and put plenty of hot glue because you really want this to stick well. And then you put it in here, decide on what spot, because once you've glued it down, it's pretty much permanent. Press it in with your fingers. Pull out the back area. And you'll have a really cute little felt decoration that looks like this. And for the kids, what might make it even funner is to put googly eyes to give it even more of a festive look. Thank you again for being here. Don't forget, for more videos, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll be here tomorrow where we will be doing a Frida McDoodle drawing. We'll also learn a little bit about Frida Kahlo's life and all the experiences and how she became so good at her drawings. Thank you again and see you next time.